when it comes to carb count, the $1 million question people ask is how low is low enough for you? And I'll say if someone gives you an absolute number, they're probably wrong. Because yes, the idea is bring it as low as you can within reason. It has to be sustainable. But also everybody has different tolerance or reaction to carbohydrates. So I don't think there's one number fits all. Connecting to the intuitive eating that we're talking about is that you're not really chasing the numbers. You're looking into your body and go, do I feel good when I eat those foods, and what quantity? And also, no single meal stands on its own. So it's not about this meal is about 10 carbs and today I hit 30 carbs. Zoom out a little bit and focusing on bigger picture, maybe overall what you eat within a week or within a month, then you can really see how it's taking shape. And don't get kind of trapped into a really micro level. And that's what I always think, that people run themselves into corners, and they feel, if they feel they do something wrong, they feel defeated, and there's just absolutely no need to do that. So in terms of how many carbs is right for you, obviously you want to stay within a certain range so you enjoy the benefit of being some form of ketosis. But there isn't one number fits all, just bear in mind. And I promised myself from the start that if I crave for something that's not ketogenic a lot, I'll go and eat it, and I'm going to enjoy every bite. I gave myself that permission from the start. So sometimes, for whatever reason, body crave for, maybe it's even the nutrient of certain food that you're craving for that just happen not to be ketogenic. So these are the kind of ground rules you can kind of set for yourself, and which will give you a good foundation to go in. Try not to narrow it down so much that you have nowhere to go. This is not an exam, this is not a test. This is between you and your body. So you need to have that conversation with yourself. Do I want to do this for 6 months, totally militant model keto warrior, or I want to do this in the longer run and I'm fitter and healthier and happier? You have to be happy. And I can't stress that enough, because food had been a source of misery and anxiety and all sorts of negative things for me in the past. And my whole life, I've been spending time to kind of find a way out, just trying to escape from that. So if you're in a similar situation, you feel like, there's an undercurrent of unhappiness, whatever you eat, there's guilt trip involved, and you're not happy. It's not even about how much weight you need to lose per se. It's relative to the person. 10 pounds might be a lot for a lot of people, not much for the other person, but they feel equally miserable. So it's about focusing on the well-being. And that would be a very good start.